Hey, look what came in the mail. So Dylan told me that I needed a new mic because my audio sounds terrible. So we get to open this today. Let's see. Oops. Standard instructions. Cordage. Ooh, look at that. It's so big. I'm gonna have to set up room on my desk for it. Let's see. It's so heavy. Wow. I am going to have to do some reading. It came nicely packaged. Let's get it out of the bag. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so I thought this was going to be as simple as plug and play, but I've tried a couple times and don't seem to have things set up properly, so I'm going to do a little more research. I recorded a few things and it's just not playing back, so it might be user error, most likely. So it was user error. I just needed to connect my headphones to the microphone. I wasn't hearing the audio. It was recording. I just wasn't hearing it through the proper audio. So anyway, this is the YETI mic. I have got it hooked up. It was very simple to connect to USB. Very simple settings. Whether or not you're going to use all of them. There's 4 pickup patterns. Really, I'm just using this for myself, so I'll probably just use the one. But so far, so good. You can tell me how it sounds, if it sounds better than my previous video. Maybe I'll redo the audio in those and put them back up. But anyway, that's what's going on here. Coming up with some more video ideas and a few. So stay tuned, stick around, keep in touch. Tell me what you guys want to hear or see.